Hi dear children, today I am going to make you know the fourth lesson, looking after my body. In the previous class we discussed about body parts and we know the functions of those, and we learn also sense organs and their functions. So after knowing the body parts and their functions, we should keep our body healthy and clean. So how should we keep those body parts neat and clean? So let's we discuss some good habits from this lesson. Before that, I wanna make you know the beautiful rhyme about looking after my body.
Habits are very hard to break. Have healthy habits for that sake. If healthy habits are in place, your life will be better in many ways. Wake up early, enjoy the beautiful morning clearly. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Your day now starts with full of grace. Wish your father, wish your mother, wish your little brother and sister, wish your friends and everyone. Now you are a very special one. Make sure you have a healthy breakfast. It will give you the energy to move fast. Having fruits and vegetables are so cool. Now let's make it on time to school. Now let's recall the healthy habits. Wake up early. Brush your teeth. Brush. Wash your face. Wash. Wish your family. Wish. Have a healthy breakfast. Eat. Go to school in time. Go. Yay! Bye-bye.
Dear children, hope you all enjoy the rhyme. Let's begin the explanation about the lesson. Dear students, cleanliness is very important. So we should follow some good habits to stay healthy. Then which are the good habits? Let's we know one by one. We must keep our body clean. Cleanliness prevents disease and makes us feel fresh. Look here, the boy is brushing, taking bath, combing the mother hair. First one, do not oversleep, get up early in the morning. This is one good habit. Go to the toilet, flush the toilet after using. Wash your hands and feet with soap. Slap cool water on your eyes. Remove the dirt from the corner of your eyes. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth well. Clean your tongue with the tongue cleaner. Brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. Fourth, take a bath every day with soap and water. Wash your hair too. Girls with long hair should wash hair at least once in a week. Use a clean towel to wipe your body and hair dry. Comb your hair neatly. Sixth, always wear clean and tight clothes. See to it that your clothes do not get dry. Always carry the clean handkerchief. Seventh one, do not put your fingers in your mouth or bite your nail, as a dirty collected below the nails will enter your body. Then you will be falls ill. Nails should be cut at least once in a week. Clean your ears only with a cotton bud. Do not use any sharp pointed objects like matchstick or hairpin to clean your ears. Because those are harm your ear. Remember now, good habits for cleanliness. Flush the toilet after using. Wash your hands with soap after going to the toilet. Brush your teeth twice a day. Do not put your fingers in your mouth or bite your nails. Cut your nails at least once in a week. Wash your hands before or after meals. Rinse your mouth properly after meals. Take a bath every day with soap and water. Use a cotton earbuds to clean your ears. Wear a clean and dirty clothes. Wear a clean and tidy clothes. Dear students, now you come to know the good habits. Then let's see from the textbook one by one. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night before going to bed, because when you eat something, the tiny piece of food will collected in the between of teeth. So you should brush your teeth morning and before going to the bed. So then germs and bad bacteria are removed from your mouth, and rinse your mouth after every meals. So this is first good habit. The second one, bath daily with a clean water and soap. Wipe yourself dry with a clean towel. See, after taking a bath, we should use the towel to wipe our body, because water and soap will be removed. So we should use the clean towel to wipe our body. Next, comb your hair very every day. Oil in it means when you put oil, it makes your body cool, and combing your hair, it looks very smart. So you should comb your hair every day. The next good habit is wash your hands before and after eating your meals and after going to the toilet. See, the hand wash is very important. See, nowadays we are facing the coronavirus, isn't it? So after every time we are using the sanitizer or Dettol or soap or any liquid items we can put in our hands, and we should wash our hands every minutes. So we should get the protection from the bacteria. So we should wash our hands before going to the lunch and after the lunch and after the visiting toilet. So dear students, I hope you are also doing your hand wash. The next, eat your meals on time, eat healthy and food. Okay, see, this is also the very important healthy habit, because we should eat the meal on time. It should be healthy food. We should not eat the junk food. It may harms our body. So we should eat fresh fruits and vegetables, drinking the milk products. These are the foods keep our body healthy and strong. So avoid the junk foods. Do you know which are junk foods? Junk foods are pizza, burger, gobi, bread. These are the unhealthy food. So eat the healthy food and stay healthy. The next is wear the clean and ironed clothes. Change your clothes before going to sleep at night. See, when you go to school or somewhere, after the bath you are wearing the dresses. The whole day you are in the that dress itself. So your body sweating or bacteria's dirty something dust also enter your clothes. So before going to the bed, change your clothes and wear the fresh clothes to get a well sleep. So these are also good habits. The next good habit is trim your nails once a week. Keep them short and clean. Dear students, we should cut our nails every week. We should keep clean, because something germs are entered to our nails when we having food, when we are eating something, then also those will be get the chance to enter our stomach. So we should cut the nails every week, and we should not bite the nails. If we have such kind of bad habits, please avoid now itself. The true fact here, see, compared to the winter season, in the summer season our nails are growing very fast, and leg nails means toes nails grow than faster, slower. See, our hand nails are growing very fast than the toenails. So we should cut them regularly. Okay, and we should not bite the nails. The last healthy habit is sleep on time. Sleep for at least 8 hours at a night. Means, see, early to bed and early to rise. As like that, we should have the food early before going to the bed 2 hours. Means after having the meals, and we should take a small walk, then we go to the bed. So at night we should sleep at least 8 hours. Again the morning we should wake up early, because it is one kind of good habit. And when we go to the bed, we should avoid watching mobile or TV. Those are may harm our ears. So you should not take any mobiles. You should not watch TV before the bed. So sleeping is very important. As the next is exercise. Do the exercise every day and play outside games. See, nowadays you are going to play the games in the mobile itself. So it is harm to your ears and your eyes and your fingers also. So you should do exercise with your parents, and you should go outside to play with your friends. It makes your body healthy and active, and drink the plenty of water. It keeps your body cool and make your body cells fresh. So these are our good habits. Dear students, you have to follow the good habits. It is helpful for your body. I hope you are going to follow these. Dear students, let's know the fill in the blanks from the lesson. The first one, we must look after our dash. B1, we should use dash water and soap after bathing. Third one, dash our hands before and after meals is good habit. Fourth one, we should change our clothes before going to dash at night. The answers are A1, we should look after our body. We should use clean water and soap for bathing. Washing our hands before and after meal is good habit. We should change our clothes before going to sleep at night. True or false? A1, we must brush our teeth twice a day. It's true. Second one, we should comb our hair weekly. It is false. Third one, we should trim our nails weekly. It's right. Means true. We should exercise monthly. It's false. We should do exercise every day. We should sleep at least 8 hours. It is right, means true. Answer the following questions. When should we wash our hands? Answer: before and after eating our meals and after going to toilet. Second one, why should we do exercise? Answer: to be healthy and active. C1, what should we do before going to bed at night? Answer: brush our teeth and change our clothes. D1, when should we eat our meal? Answer: we should eat our meal on time. The last one, name 2 good habits that you should do weekly. Answer: trim our nails and oil our hair. See, dear students, these are the question and answers. You must learn it. Dear students, hope you all come to know the good habits, and you must follow the good habits by drinking the fresh water and fresh food. Okay, and you should be stay healthy and strong and follow these and read the lesson properly and learn the new words and practice the spellings also. In the next video, I will meet you. Until then, bye dear students.